This course goes up to C1 in relation to the levels of language learning. That's because C2 is actually native level, and when you go from C1 to C2, there's no more grammar to learn. In fact, it is just improving your conversational skills. C2 does not mean fluency. In fact, for most language learners, fluency begins at B1. That is intermediate English. You don't need to speak perfectly or use grammar perfectly to be fluent. Because even as native speakers, we still make a lot of mistakes. Fluency is just being able to communicate your ideas and understand generally what other people are communicating to you. So finish this course really to learn all the grammar. And to go one step further, to go from level C1 to C2, you need to improve your conversational English. And to do that, you need to consistently, just for a little bit every day, read more, listen, and improve your spoken English. That might mean by practicing speaking by yourself, finding an online language partner, or getting a tutor. Whichever way, that is how you get to C2. It's not grammar, it's actually using the language you're learning.